Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to change the video quality on Facebook using the updated method. Whether you want to optimize your viewing experience or save data, these steps will help you adjust your settings quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Next, look at the top right corner of the app and tap on the 3 horizontal lines. This will open a menu with additional options. Now, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to expand the menu, then select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down to find the Preferences section. Under this section, tap on Media. This is where you can control how videos behave on your Facebook app. In the Media settings, you'll see an option for video quality. Choose Optimized. This setting adjusts video quality based on your network conditions, ensuring a balance between high-quality playback and efficient data usage. And that's it. You've successfully updated your video quality settings on Facebook. By following these steps, you can enjoy a smoother and more tailored viewing experience. Thank you for watching. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might find it useful. See you in the next tutorial.